On this edition of Majid's Kitchen, we take this easy, simple and delicious roti recipe to another level. And here, a quick recap on just how lovely this roti recipe turned out. It's time to savor the rich blend of flavors with our hoisin sauce beef roti. Tender beef infused with aromatic hoisin sauce, encased in a warm flaky roti for a delightful culinary experience. I'm using a beautifully marbled 8-ounce piece of strip loin steak. It's slightly frozen for thin slicing and easier handling. Stack a few slices on each other and begin slicing. With all the beef sliced, let's take a look at the marinating ingredients. We have 3 ingredients here that we'll be adding to marinate this beef. Again, it's really simple. And let's begin with the seasoned vinegar. Ingredients listed: the brown sugar and the soy sauce, and give that a mix. Oh, what the heck, add all of it. Just massage the flavors into the meat, and we'll let this marinate for about half an hour. Once you've given it a mix, let it rest for the time stipulated. And this is where you start rolling out those rotis and cooking them. Check out the recipe in the playlist. We will season this just before we cook it with a basic salt and pepper. After half an hour of marination, let's go ahead and add black pepper and the salt, and heat up a wok, and let's get cooking. If you've noticed, I have an additional tablespoon of soy sauce and a spoonful of chili paste. You can use any brand you prefer. This is kind of a chili garlic paste. It's optional. And I'm using a sweet soy sauce, and it looks something like this. I'm not sponsored, but this is what you want to use for the dish. A substitute for that would be hoisin sauce. Wash my hands in the meantime. Change my gloves. I'll be using a very little oil, as this meat has good marbling to it, and I'm using olive oil. Let's place the meat in the wok. And just leave it there. I've increased the temperature to high so that we get nice color and not stew the steak. So add some sugar to the pan to make the sauce for the beef. We then will add in the sweet soy. And I will add a little bit of water to this just to help get the remaining sauce out of there. So about a quarter cup of water. Put the heat on low and let the sauce slightly thicken, and we'll add the chili sauce to this just for a nice balance of sweetness and a very slight hint of spiciness. So add the beef to the sauce. Let it sit and absorb all those flavors. And let's get started on the Chinese chives. You can use green onions or leeks as a substitute. Saute these very lightly. It will help to soften them and bring out the flavor. Don't forget to season with a little salt and pepper. Roti is hot and fresh off the pan. Let's see the final product. Simple assembly here. We have a lightly buttered roti down on the plate. Take some of that beef, place it in the center. Don't forget to add your chives or your leeks, whatever you decided to use. In my case, I use Chinese chives. Their delicate taste complements various savory dishes, offering a nuanced improvement without overpowering the overall profile of the dish. Let's take a closer look. I hope you like it. I am passionate about food, and my love for it knows no boundaries. Beyond savoring the exquisite flavors of Asian cuisine, I'm on a journey to explore the rich tapestry of dishes and cultures from around the world. Food transcends race, beliefs, and borders. It unites us through the universal language of taste and the stories that each dish carries. So join me for another episode on Majid's Kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.